Carolina Adventure World, Winsboro, South Carolina. We've never been here before, but we're here for the Southern Roush race, ATV race on Saturday. Brady Rambo is doing his thing today. He's got to represent because your boy Real Deal is not racing. I'm just here for the support and to be a dad and hang with the babe. Check this out. First race, it's the summer, Brady. How you feeling today?
Feel pretty good.
What's the goal?
Win my class and just have a clean overall race. Try and get top 15 overall.
Good luck, bro. Let's do it. I'm gonna be sweeping the track today as well on the Can-Am. Representing strong with the Ford trucks today. It's Brady's Quad. OFR Power Sports, TX XC Graphics. I need first place today.
All right, I'm getting first.
All right, let's do it. Let's do it. Here's Brian's Quad. Pro race about to start. Got the homies. Brady is ready. I need a P1 out of you today, dog.
Let's
do it.
That's what we're going for, top 10.
Let's do it. Brady Nsheppard and Aiden Jones. Post-race report. Brady, give us your thoughts.
Track was alright.
Whatever, you just said you loved it.
I mean, it was alright. Like, it got annoying after 3 laps.
You did good though, right?
Yeah.
Aiden? Oh, he's on the phone. Post-race report. Aiden Jones.
It was good. I ran good for like the first 4 laps. Track got really hot, like very rough as well. And I ended up like 2 miles from the finish when I started throwing up. So. But able to still bring it in for a 3rd.
You was ripping.
Yeah,
I got you. Give me some. Good job, Brady. Got a flat tire on the last lap. Tried to fix it, but he just had to ride it out. He's back. A successful race just like that. Brady Nsheppard is back. Thanks for watching, y'all. We love everything auto and everything ATV action. Until next time, catch your boy later. Peace out.